Good morning, students. How are you? Today we are going to learn a topic in grammar, that is subject and predicate. Before we start, let's understand what is a subject and what is a predicate in a sentence. You might have heard about the name of subject many a times. As subject, you learn Hindi, English, Marathi, and many all subjects. But here in grammar, subject is a person in a sentence. You have learned now the naming word that comes in the beginning of sentence, comes in the place of subject, and all the words comes under the predicate. So we are going to start with the topic subject and predicate. Subject is the person in a sentence. Predicate is the work done by the subject. What is a subject? Subject is a person in a sentence and predicate tells about the work done by the subject. Subject comes in the beginning of the sentence and predicate comes just after the subject in a sentence. It starts with a verb in a sentence and ends till the end of the sentence. Let's understand with some of the examples. Here you can see examples are there. He is an intelligent student. We will ask a question to sentence. Who is an intelligent student in the class? He. So who is he? He is the subject. If we ask a question using who, the answer that we get is a subject in a sentence. And for predicate, we ask the question what? What he is doing? What is he? He is an intelligent student in the class. So he is the subject in the sentence and is an intelligent student in the class is the predicate in the sentence. Next example is there. She dances gracefully. Again we will ask a question. Who dances gracefully? She. So who is she here? She is the subject and predicate is the work done by the subject. So what she is doing? Dances gracefully. So dances gracefully is the predicate in the sentence. Let's understand with some more examples. My sister sings melodiously. Who sings melodiously? My sister. And what my sister is doing? She sings melodiously. What is the subject? Subject is my sister and predicate is sings melodiously. Another example is the dog barked at the stranger. Again we will ask a question. Who barked at the stranger? The dog. What the dog has done? Barked at the stranger. Subject is the dog and barked at the stranger is the predicate in the sentence. Again some more example. Sunday is the first day of the week. Who is the first day of the week? Sunday. And what is done by Sunday? It is the first day of the week. Sunday is the subject, is the first day of the week is the predicate. Next is, I go to school daily. Who goes to school daily? I. So what is I? I is the subject in the sentence and what I is doing? I go to school daily. So go to school daily is the predicate. As I told, a predicate starts with a verb. You can see in each example is the helping verb, go is the main verb. So predicate starts with a verb in a sentence and subject comes in the beginning of the sentence. Some more examples are there. They go for a walk every day. Who goes for a walk? They. So what is they? They is the subject in the sentence. And what they are doing? They go for a walk every day is the predicate in the sentence. My father works hard in his office. Who works hard in his office? My father. What is my father? My father is the subject in the sentence. And what my father is doing? My father works hard in his office. Again, from where the predicate has started? It has started from a verb till the end of the sentence. My mother cooks delicious food. Who cooks delicious food? My mother. And what my mother has done? Cooks delicious food. So my mother is the subject, cooks delicious food is the predicate. The teacher is teaching in the class. Which question we will ask? Yes. Who is teaching in the class? What is the answer? The teacher. So what is the teacher? The teacher is the subject in the sentence, and what the teacher is doing? Is teaching in the class. Again it has started with a verb. In this sentence also it has started with a verb till the end of the sentence. So today we have learnt about the subject and the predicate. Subject is the person in a sentence. To identify a subject we ask a question who, and predicate it tells about the work done by subject. To identify the predicate we ask a question with what, and this is subject and predicate. Thank you.